Now, from certified broadcast meteorologist Amy Freeze, your Fox Chicago weather.
All right, let's get right to it. Live Power Doppler tracking some storms tonight. First box is the closest to Chicago. This one tracking storms in Elk Grove by 9:21, Schiller Park 9:24, then into Rosemont at 9:25. It's a quick moving storm. The biggest threat from this one tonight that's in close to Chicago will be hail. However, further out to the west, notice that these yellow boxes showing up for DeKalb County and further back even into the west. These yellow boxes are severe thunderstorm warnings. There are severe thunderstorms in these areas that are producing hail and heavy winds. And in particular, we're watching the circulation showing up. It's special software that we have with the Live Power Doppler. These storms are headed in the direction northwest of Chicago overnight. There is a lightning report, however, that happened with this storm system. It's blinking right now, a live time report, and this caught a house on fire. So the lightning strikes have been pretty serious with these storms as well. So just want to give you a glimpse of what's happening out there right now, but it's not necessarily over. We go to the storm analysis machine, and this is just sort of opening the gates of a cold front that's coming in tonight. So once we get the air moistened up after a pretty steamy day, we had low 70s around here. This cold front back to the west, that comes through, and the clashing of the air masses is what really fires up the storm. Now, one thing that's caught my attention tonight is that this storm that's just south of Rockford, not only does it have the rotation in it, meaning that there are spinning winds within the storm system itself and potentially spinning winds that are reaching the ground, but also the black showing up on the map tells us that there is a hail core, meaning that the hail is over a ½ inch in size. So this storm front, this cold front that progresses through the area, moving eastward towards Chicago overnight tonight, this is one that's going to pack a punch, and we're likely going to hear the rumbles of thunder, the lightning strikes, and even some strong winds out of it. You might call it a garden variety Chicago spring storm, but it's one that you want to be ready for, and it's one that if it's going to catch your attention, you at least will know that it's headed in your direction. Here's the latest for us. First, a little up and down for you. We've got a chart of today's high temperature, 72. Tomorrow's not a bad one. Chicago's still on the warm side of the front. We hit 77 degrees. That's not bad at all. Then things change. For the second half of the week, this cold front is going to trigger in more showers and thunderstorms. So low 60s on Wednesday, and then we drop into the 50s late in the week. So just think of this front as allowing these southwest winds to bring up the warm air during the afternoon on Tuesday. Then it shuts us off. We are in the jet stream pattern, so we do stay wet around here. We'll get plenty of moisture this week. At times, we could have that localized flooding. Places in the low-lying areas, the streets, the viaducts that get flooded out. We're looking for the rain to come in again Tuesday night. The majority of the storm will stay north, but by Wednesday, another round of rain, and potentially on Thursday, we get a little bit of moisture as well. Here's how the forecast breaks down. Mild tonight. We only go down to 53 degrees. Then by tomorrow, we get a spark of sunshine in the afternoon. It's going to be even warmer tomorrow afternoon than it was today, a high of 77. That's going to be the warmest it's been so far this year. Another round of storms is expected tomorrow night. And then by Thursday, it looks like things start to calm down. So expect the middle of the week to still have some wet weather. Some showers at times. Thursday, just a slight risk of rain, and then Friday, 59. Heading into the weekend, we're back into the 60s, and things are looking good down the stretch. Coming up, we'll rate the day for tomorrow, and also we'll talk a little bit more about getting into the middle part of April. It looks like this could be a fairly decent month as far as temperatures go. If we could just get through tonight, and I just want to say a word to folks out there. We always hate to interrupt the programming, especially 24 tonight, but we want to make sure you stay safe. If we can give you a heads up and it protects you or your property, it means the world to us.
It's worth it. All right. Thank you, Amy.